Morning, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good morning, all of you.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Good morning.
good morning. Today we will do letter writing. So, in CBSE, in CBSE examination, in the writing section, you have 4 kinds of letters, and apart from that, you can get a letter based on any situation. So you have formal letters. So one letter to editor we have done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So a new section has also joined today. So today we will do letter of inquiry. Okay. And regarding your Sunday test portion, I have sent in the WhatsApp group. Have you seen it? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Letter
ma'am.
to God.
Yes.
The letter to God.
Letter to God. And the format will be the same, 4 marks and 6 marks. 4 marks objective, 6 marks subjective.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. So for letter of inquiry, the format is the same as the formal letters. In this letter, first of all, you have to give a brief introduction of yourself. So in letters of inquiry, you will just give a brief introduction. Uh, then because it is an inquiry letter, uh, inquire about details one by one. Okay, first I will tell you the details, then I will just share one sample. So, so you have to give a brief introduction, and then you have to uh, make your inquire about the details one by one. Then you have to make a request. Uh, to send. Suppose if the inquiry is about a course,
मैम डिटेल के बाद क्या है?
one by one. And make a request to send the brochure or form if you are inquiring.
मैम मे का के बाद क्या है?
हाँ, क्या, कहाँ पर? Make a request. Make a request to send the brochure or form if you are inquiring about a course. Okay. So letter of inquiry is basically to inquire about something. कोई चीज का जानकारी लेने के लिए हम letter of inquiry लिखते हैं. तो you just have to give a brief introduction, and in the second paragraph just ask the inquiry one by one. You can put bullets like this, एक एक करके एक लाइन पे एक इंक्वायरी ऐसे, and then make a request to send the brochure or form. This is only for education about a course. So one sample letter I will show you how you are Rohit Singh. One minute, just wait a second. So you are Rohit Singh, living at Sector 6, Noida. You have to book a hotel for the reception ceremony of your elder brother. Mute yourself. Okay. So you have to book a hotel for the reception ceremony of your elder brother. So you write a letter of inquiry to the manager of Chanakya Hotel. So here address and name is already given. So you have to take the address from the question paper itself. Sector 6. Noida. So short address. Then the date. Date, as I told you, always in name of the month, always in words. Okay. Then whom should you write the letter? then subject, okay. So subject you will write, then sir, just a brief introduction of yourself. Then you have to the reception ceremony of my elder brother now will be held on 28th April. या बाद का भी कभी का डेट दे सकते 28th May. Oh, you have to book hotels in advance, so 28th May 2021. As your hotel has a good reputation, your hotel has a good reputation, I interested in booking the hotel lawn for the ceremony. Okay, so so you have given your introduction and you have written the purpose of writing your letter. So your paragraph will end here. Then in the second as I told you how you change paragraphs, you have to leave this complete line. Screen is visible to all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to leave this complete line and begin your new paragraph from the margin itself. This is the latest way of changing paragraphs. So now you will inquire. Now you have to give a detail of the number of guests to the hotel. Then you will inquire about the price and the catering charges per head. एक आदमी के खाने का कितना चार्ज लगेगा, लॉन का कितना चार्ज लगेगा. So in the second paragraph you will give the details. So number one, you can put bullets and write. So about the guests, you'll write in this paragraph only. We expect about 250 guests in the ceremony.
टी के बाद क्या लिखा है
हाँ, किसके बाद?
मैम? 250 के बाद
250 guests. 250 guests. In the ceremony. So I wish to inquire about some details.
COVID-19 full protection.
The charge.
Ma'am, 100 gets.
250.
No,
कोविड
ma'am.
सिचुएशन, कोविड के सिचुएशन के लिए हम नहीं लिखे हैं. दिस इज अबाउट जनरल.
Oh, ma'am.
कोविड में तो if anybody is wise, he will not arrange any kind of ceremony in COVID. At least these things can be postponed. So at least wise, educated people should not conduct any kind of ceremony at present. So about the
yes ma'am.
other miscellaneous charges.
Are you well?
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे थे?
Are you feeling well, ma'am?
Yes, I am well. थोड़ा खांसी हो जाए तो ऐसा थोड़ी है. Many of our faculty, school teachers have been infected. Rashmi Priya ma'am is infected, English teacher. Rashmi Bio ma'am, she is suffering. Then Rashmi Chemistry ma'am. Anju Verma ma'am. Many of them have got infected.
Yes, ma'am. मैम बट चाणक्य होटल मैम, ये तो मैम इनकम टैक्स चौड़ा के पास है मैम.
अरे हम लोकेशन कंफ्यूज कर गए, तो लिख देना तुम इनकम टैक्स, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चार्ज ऑफ डेकोरेशन एंड अदर. Miscellaneous charges. Okay, so you will write your enquiries, your questions one by one, one below the other, so that it is clear.
मैम एक बार फिर से मैम शुरू से एक बार दिखा दीजिए ना.
हाँ, शुरू से. अभी और भी सैंपल तुम लोग को दिखा देंगे. तो लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी मतलब लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी मीन्स हाँ मेनली ये लिखा जाता है हम लोगों को जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए, किसी भी तरह का जानकारी हो सकता है. Now this is about the booking of a hotel. It could be any kind of inquiry. Suppose कि तुम्हें कोई कोर्स करना है, you want to do a course and you want information about that course. So then your questions will be different. What is the fee of the course? What is the duration of the course? What kind of teaching faculties are available? Whether hostel facilities is there or not? Whether transport facility is available or not. So it depends on the subject, what kind of questions you ask. So now this question is about the booking of a hotel. So in first paragraph, you have to give a brief introduction. अगर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में तुम इस तरह का भी चीज लिख सकते हो, जैसे कि कोई कोर्स का इंक्वायरी करना है, तो तुमको उस कोर्स का जानकारी कहाँ से मिला. I came to know through the advertisement in Times of India regarding this choreography course, regarding the computer programming course. So this you can mention in your letter. So here it is subject is different. So I have not mentioned all those things, but if it is about a course, you can mention this, that from where you got the information about this course. From the advertisement in the newspaper I came to know. And then if you are inquiring about a course, your questions will be different. A fee of the course, duration of the course, hostel facilities available, what are the job prospects, तुम एक बार वो कोर्स कर लोगे तो किस तरह का जॉब मिल सकता है. So inquiry questions depend upon the subject. So here it is about this is the question. हमेशा जो है एड्रेस ऑफ द एड्रेसी, लिखने वाले का एड्रेस जो है वो दिया ही रहेगा. In case it is not given, so you will write examination hall और वो जगह का नाम जहाँ तुम्हारा एग्जामिनेशन हॉल. But always the address is always given in the CBSE questions. So first you have to write the address as is mentioned in the question paper. Okay, then you will write the date. Date as always the name of the month should always be in words. So you have to keep in mind. ये अप्रैल को कभी डिजिट में मत लिखना. फिर एक लाइन छोड़ के एड्रेस ऑफ द रिसीवर का पोस्ट और एड्रेस. फिर सब्जेक्ट to book the hotel lawn for reception ceremony. So brief introduction of yourself. I'm Rohit Singh, living at Sector 6. The reception ceremony of my elder brother will be held on 28th May. So 2021. कहाँ गायब हो गया? जाओ, गायब हो गया. Where it disappeared? I touched something and it disappeared.
हम undo कर.
क्या? रुको देख.
मैं बहुत नीचे आ गई हैं.
रुको देखा. Wait, let me. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
So in the first paragraph you will just give an introduction and you will write the purpose of writing the letter. As your hotel has a good reputation, or as your hotel is a renowned one, I am interested in booking the hotel lawn for the ceremony. We expect about 200 guests in the ceremony. कितने guest आएंगे? You have to give the expected number so that they can make the arrangement.
मैम
हाँ बोलो अविनाश, कुछ पूछना है? What happened? You can ask anything freely if you want.
मैम द रिसेप्शन के बाद क्या लिखा हुआ है?
The reception ceremony. Ceremony है CEREMONY. Will be held on 28th May. As your hotel has a good reputation, or as your hotel is a renowned one, known for its good services, अपने ये में लिख सकते हो, as your hotel has a good reputation, or as your hotel is a renowned one, known for its good services. So I'm interested in booking the hotel lawn for the ceremony. We expect about 250 guests in the ceremony. एक expected list तुमको देना पड़ेगा कि वो उसी हिसाब से अरेंजमेंट कर सके जगह का और खाना का. तो so I wish to enquire. Now you will change your paragraph once your enquiry begins. So I wish to enquire about some details, and if you write your enquiry one below the other, that will look more neat and specific. वो clear होगा कि एक के नीचे एक. The charge of the lawn for one night, catering charges per head, मतलब एक आदमी का खाना का कितना चार्ज होगा, charge of decoration and other miscellaneous charges, ये charges. Okay. और भी miscellaneous charges होता है. Whether a few rooms could be made available for the stay of guests. अब 3-4 guests जो वापस नहीं जा सकते हैं या relatives, उनके रहने के लिए अगर rooms available होगा कि नहीं. After that you will write in the I will be very grateful if you send the given information within 1 week. Be careful with the spelling of grateful. बहुत लोग क्या लिख देते हैं GREAT, ये गलत है ना? तो you have to be careful. Grateful EAT नहीं, ATE लिखना रहता है, ठीक है ना? Obliged, thankful. बस I'll be very grateful if you provide the details within a week. About the availability of the hotel lawn. Okay, then thanking you. ABC जो भी नाम रोहित सिंह ना नाम दिया है. Okay, and in this yours you will not put apostrophe. ये भी एक ध्यान रखने वाला है. उस बार भी बताए थे, ये जो है वो गलत है. apostrophe नहीं देना है, YOURS, no apostrophe. You don't have to put apostrophe. This also you have to keep in mind. So is it clear how you have to write letter of inquiry?
Yes, ma'am.
So wait, let me show you one. CBSE, ये देखो, ये कोर्स का है एक, ये देखो, you are awaiting your class 10 results. Meanwhile, you would like to do a short-term course in personality development. कट गया है, personality development. तो first you have to write the address of the addressee, जो लिखने वाले का एड्रेस ऊपर, फिर यहाँ डेट, the director personal care Pune. So dear sir, subject enquiry about the short term course in personality. I came across your advertisement. Oh ये कट गया है लगता आधा, रुको. Complete letter. This is the complete letter. Wait. So this is a sample letter. You want to inquire about the German courses. So here ऊपर एड्रेस, फिर सेंडर्स एड्रेस, फिर डेट, द डायरेक्टर जर्मन एम्बेसी चाणक्यपुरी न्यू दिल्ली. देन डियर सर मैडम, subject enquiry regarding German courses. So I wish to make certain enquiries about the German language courses offered by your institution. I have just completed class 10. ये अपना एक short introduction देना है कि I have just completed class 10 and want to pursue my career in German. तो तुमको जर्मन लैंग्वेज सीखना है, उसके लिए let I would like to know the duration of the course. So here it's not written one below the other. Para form में ही लिखा है, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन मुझे one below the other ज्यादा neat लगता है. तो duration I would like to know. तो यहाँ से I would like to know the duration of the course, the fee structure, the transport facilities available. I have always had a flair for language. Flair means taste, means liking, and have wanted to be a multilingual. तुमको अलग अलग language सीखने का passion है. Hence the desire to learn the German language. I will be grateful if you could send me the brochure as soon as possible. कट गया है. As early as possible. Okay. So now you have an idea how to write letter of inquiry. Any doubts? Anything you want to ask? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, पूछो कौशल, क्या पूछना है? कुछ पूछना है?
मैम क्लियर है?
क्लियर है ना? ठीक है. तो एक देखते हैं क्वेश्चन कुछ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Pragya, you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write salutation before subject?
Yes, you can. थोड़ा flexibility है CBSE में. In some books, if in some of the sample papers, if you see subject and sir, in some sir and subject, so both is permissible. Marks won't be deducted. Subject पहले लिखो, सर बाद में लिखो, या सर पहले लिखो, सब्जेक्ट बाद में लिखो, दोनों चलता है. Okay. You note down one question. एक लिखो homework के लिए. This is your Lakhotia Computer Center, बोरिंग कनाल रोड. इसमें एड्रेस एक जोड़ दो. So this is your homework. Okay. Okay, so now I'm ending the class. Have you noted